Today I'm going to give you some tips on tires, how to make them last, how to get the most wear out of them. I'd say 25 to 50% of the consumers waste half of the tire life. And I'm going to give you some examples. This guy right here is, look at this right here. This right here, get close to it. Look at this, this is gone, and he's got probably a good 20,000 miles left on the tire over here. And if you look on this side, come quickly to this side, come from the back. This tire, look how good it is. They were put on at the same time, same brand. I could get another 20,000 miles out of this tire, but now they need tires right now. And let me show you a few examples. I'm Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. I got a shop in Huntington Beach. This guy, this tire wore in the middle some because it had too much air. This one came in, believe it or not, look at this. This person came into my shop, did not even know that they needed tires. So, and this over here, look at him. He probably wasted 10, 15,000 miles, and he's been running around dangerous. Had he not come in, he came in for an aluminum oil service. I called him up and said, look at this tire. And he was shocked. Now, same thing here. Now, this tire and this tire were in the same car. He didn't want one tire, he wanted 4 of them. So, and that's the way tires should be bought, in 2s or 4s. Now, an alignment could have avoided this. Now, you also have, if you have wear on the outside, on both outsides, then that means low tire pressure. If you have wear in the middle, that means too much tire pressure. One side is in alignment. And look what I did here. I turned my wheels all the way. If you do this once in a while, you can check them yourself. Or if you got a good mechanic, you go to your mechanic and you say, hey, check my tires. When you get an oil change, go to a regular mechanic, go to a guy that knows cars and can talk to you about the tires. If you're running low on tire pressure, you're also going to waste money on gas. And that's going to be my next step, is how to save money on gas. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. Call me with any of your questions.